Little storyteller.
Lily had a bright blue laundry basket with big happy yellow stars painted all over it. Normally Lily put her dirty clothes inside and her mommy would wash them, but this laundry basket was special. One sunny morning, Lily's little toy bunny, Bob, tumbled into the basket. Lily giggled and reached to take him out. But suddenly, the basket wiggled. Rumble, rumble went the happy yellow stars. Bob wiggled too, his fluffy white tail twitching. Lily peeked inside. Bob was still there, but her blue shirt, which wasn't inside out, had vanished. Lily looked around her sunny yellow bedroom. Her red socks were on the floor. She picked one up and dropped it in the basket. Rumble, rumble. The basket shook a little. The sock was still there. Lily frowned. Then she noticed the sock wasn't inside out. Lily picked up the sock and turned it inside out. The fuzzy inside was now on the outside. She dropped it back in the blue basket. Rumble, slurp. The sock disappeared. Lily clapped her hands. The basket only ate clothes that were inside out. Lily started turning all her dirty clothes inside out. Her green t-shirt, her yellow pants. Flip, flip, flip. The happy blue basket rumbled happily each time it ate an inside-out piece of clothing. Even Bob watched with wide button eyes. Soon, all of Lily's dirty clothes were inside the blue basket. It didn't rumble anymore. It was full and content. Lily smiled. Turning her clothes inside out wasn't so hard, and it made her special basket very happy. Mommy came in and saw the basket full of inside-out clothes. She smiled too. "What a helpful way to get ready for laundry day," she said. Later, when the clean clothes were folded, Lily noticed something. Her blue shirt felt extra soft on the inside. Turning clothes inside out before washing helps keep the bright colors from fading. It was a little secret the happy blue laundry basket knew all along.
Please subscribe. Thank you.